Hello kids, let's start with our science subject, chapter 17, Effects of Light. Yes, let us begin. Have you seen a prism? Yes, when sun rays pass through a glass prism, it divides into 7 constant colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. We see a variety of shades of color in the early morning and evening sky. In the photographs taken from space by the satellites, the Earth appears to be bluish. What is the cause of all these effects? Do you know? Scattering of light. When rays of light hit extremely small particles present in the atmosphere, the particles deflect the light in all directions is called scattering of light. A light beam is not seen in plain water but is clearly seen in slightly turbid water. The light rays hit the tiny particles of milk and get scattered. If these scattered rays enter our eyes, we perceive the light. Let's see the next topic. When the sun rises, our surrounding appears illuminated and the entire sky appears bright. This happens because of the dust and other tiny particles in the air scatter the sunlight. If there is no atmosphere, there is no scattering of light. Therefore, the sky would have appeared dark during the day. Arrange the apparatus shown in figure. Add few drops of milk to the water and stir. This makes water turbid. When you observe the beaker, a blue thing is seen when observed along the 90 degree. This is the scattering of blue light. Because of scattering of blue light, a red-yellow light is seen from the front and whole appears reddish. Sky appears blue. Sunlight is scattered by the molecules of gases like nitrogen, oxygen in the atmosphere. The blue color in the sunlight is scattered the most and therefore the sky appears blue whenever we observe it. Sun appears red. At sunset, the light reaching us travel a greater distance through the atmosphere. Due to the greater distance, there is more scattering of blue color. As a result, the red-yellow light reaches us directly and the sun appears red. Red light scattered less than blue light. The shadow obtained from a point source. Arrange the apparatus as shown in the figure. When the light is seen to emerge from the fine hole is called point source of light. The rays OP and OQ starting from the point source just pass by the ball and fall on the point A and B on the screen respectively. However, since no rays reach the screen between the point A and B, that part remains dark. This is called umbra. The shadow obtained from an extended source. Let us see what is given to us. When the sun, the moon and the earth comes in a straight line during their revolution is called eclipse. Solar eclipse. During revolution, when the moon comes between the sun and the earth, the shadow of the moon falls on the earth. This is known as solar eclipse. Solar eclipse occurs only on a new moon day. It may be total or partial. Sometimes the solar disk is completely covered by the moon. It's called partial eclipse. During a solar eclipse, ultraviolet rays which are harmful to us reach the earth. A solar eclipse never be watched with the naked eyes. A special type of goggles should be used for this purpose. Let us see about lunar eclipse. During revolution, when the earth comes between the sun and the moon, the shadow of the earth falls on the moon. This is known as lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipse occurs only on a full moon day. It may be total or partial. If the whole moon comes in the shadow of the earth is called total lunar eclipse. When the shadow of the earth is cast only on a part of the moon is called partial lunar eclipse. A lunar eclipse can be watched with the naked eyes. A lunar eclipse can be seen over a period of few hours. Let us see about occultation. When a planet or a star passes behind the moon, that state is called occultation. It is a common phenomena that occurs with the sun, the moon or the other star. In 2016, the star called Rohini was hidden behind the moon. Zero shadow day. The day on which sun reaches exactly overhead is called the zero shadow day. On that day, at noon, shadow completely disappears. This event can only be seen in the region between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. This event occurs in summer on different days in different places in this region.